So reading Roshi's article, I have found something again. Building this isn't easy. So he's talking about the whole Shiba Inu brand. It's very hard to become massively known. What's happening, everyone? Thank you so much for dropping a like. I've been an entrepreneur many years, and working in a truly decentralized manner is mind-numbing. I can assure you that at least one proposal on my virtual desk is a hacker waiting to drain us, like the hack I mentioned above. And it takes a lot of effort to build such a huge brand like Shiba Inu, and we're definitely going to be seeing a lot more as whales are investing right now. Even if some whales are selling, the new ones are coming in fast. We're doing the best with the resources we have and trying to save the best marketing place for when we have the structure in place to capitalize on the influx of holders and users in millions of marketing dollars spent will gain us. Not just the big pop it that back to when Moon Dogecoin Super Bowl commercial. So it's not gonna be one of those coins that are pumping dumps. This is gonna be a long-term project. So if we check over here, in place to capitalize on the influx of holders and users, millions in marketing dollars spent will gain us. So they're gonna be finally spending the money on marketing. But it's a slow process. Shiba Inu is definitely growing just with a slow process, as they have not even started marketing yet. We're probably going to be seeing 1 million holders by the end of the year. But there's some super bullish news for Shiba Inu right now. Imagine a future where SHIB is accepted alongside Xi, Leash, Bone, and WeBitcoin on our own chain and platform. This is the future that increases utility and usage as noted above and helps us gain a place in decentralized community. So Shiba Inu is definitely going to be a global brand, but going into more news for what you came for, Shiba Inu is just the next level. Something that has never been made before in crypto, and that's why people are skeptical about the prices. That's why people think the prices could drop. But if we check over here, soccer star Messi's latest contract reportedly includes crypto fan tokens. Now, the financial package for Argentine soccer star Lionel Messi is a much anticipated move to Paris Saint-Germain, included crypto payment in crypto fan tokens, sources claim. Argentine soccer superstar Lionel Messi got paid in crypto fan tokens, that is, just so there's no confusion. But this is still a very bullish indicator that maybe football and soccer could be the next big step for crypto. A lot of soccer stars are now accepting their payments in crypto, are accepting their contracts, sponsorships from cryptocurrencies. And PCG President Nasser Al-Khelaifi has said at a president conference that this week should be the precise figure for the deal be made public. People would be shocked, honestly, at the numbers we have. So this is going to be definitely a big contract signing. But seems like blockchain firm Chiliz, which operates the sport token platform Socios, on which PCG fan tokens are issued, has today revealed that PCG trading volumes have surged to over 1.2 billion in the days preceding the player's move. So completing an initial pre-sale of 500,000 tokens on Ethereum this week, netting the club 1.75 million in 30 seconds. So it seems like soccer and Chiliz and everyone else is making a huge collaboration. But you know who else is making a big wave soon? Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin bulls aim for 50K ahead of Friday's 675 million Bitcoin options expiry. Things are finally starting to change. BitMEX 100 million settlement and Ethereum hopes fueled by the bullish bets. Bulls have our back for Bitcoin. Now, bears place their dreams on a sub 44 Bitcoin price. And right now, it's more likely that we're going to be seeing Bitcoin at 60,000 than we're going to be seeing Bitcoin at 20,000. This is how bullish Bitcoin is right now. As Ethereum is getting clogged up, we are seeing massive gas fees, but that will stabilize over time, hopefully. So if you're paying or buying any cryptocurrencies, you probably noticed the high gas fees already, and someone that notices is Ethereum, crypto gaming casino. So Ethereum network congestion temporarily shuts down crypto gaming casino. Funfair owned King Tiger Casino is now on the lookout for new solutions for hosting a new range of features and games for its participants. And we have had to temporarily close our casinos due to Ethereum network congestion, making it possible to run our games in the current format. That's simply crazy. You may keep any funds in there as long as you'd like, or move them out of another ERC20 address. So that's something else. This had never happened before in history, that such high demand for Ethereum has sparked the prices. And with such high transaction fees, this is going to be happening until as long as crypto is bullish right now. But crypto is no longer in early adoption stages, and it's finally going for that bullish run, especially SHIB, from what the developer has said, from what the developers have promised. We're finally seeing those growth stages for Shiba Inu. As I predicted, the development stages are the worst. We're obviously waiting for huge changes for SHIB, but things are finally starting to unveil. Crypto is no longer in early adoption stage, Bittrex global CEO says. Now, Bittrex global CEO explains where he thinks the crypto industry is in terms of adoption. The crypto industry began with Bitcoin's launch in 2009. Crypto has now gone mainstream, and that is definitely true. Crypto is definitely mainstream by now. We have a double-digit percentage adoption in both developed and developing countries. We even have Bitcoin adopted as a legal tender in the country, and many other countries are considering adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. If you would ask me, I think the adoption stages were back in 2017. This means that anyone early into crypto right now is probably going to massively profit off the new people coming into crypto as well. Crypto has so much future, and that is why I'm always sticking back with SHIB. Now Visa is coming in. Now AMC is going to be accepting Bitcoin for movie tickets. Obviously, though, the relief and everything, like the things that are happening out there, have affected the prices of AMC stocks. So that is a movie, basically theater or a movie company. But from Venmo, we can see obviously they're doing and offering payments in crypto. They're offering cashbacks in crypto. Coming into play by 2022, AMC moviegoers should be able to pay for tickets in Bitcoin if all goes according to theater chain's plans. It's only a matter of time by 2025 where we will be able to pay with SHIB. And I'm not joking here. Return to this video in 3 years and see if you can go to a store and pay with Shiba Inu. I definitely do think it's possible. Now, users of the Venmo credit card have also been given the options of putting cashback rewards directly into crypto assets, thanks to a fresh function recently publicized by Venmo. So things are finally starting to happen. Bitcoin adoption is in a lot of developing countries, was in the double-digit percentages, but has now increased in the US. And from what we can see, what's more interesting is the growth and acceleration of institutional adoption. So institutions can now pump up SHIB. Almost all major institutions have invested in cryptocurrencies or plan to invest in cryptocurrencies, and that's really exciting to me. But DAO Maker crowdfunding platform loses 7 million in latest DeFi exploit. Now that's obviously terrible. Cypherblade lost that much, but I don't think from what will happen that this will happen to Shiba Inu. Probably never. So a site aimed at raising money for crypto projects has lost 7 million, and from 5,251 users accounts, and that's really bad. Obviously, I hope they get their money back. I definitely do hope so. But Shiba Inu will never get hacked like that because we have a multi-sig, we have a time lock, so your funds are safe in ShibaSwap. Even I, myself, am using ShibaSwap and actively staking. Now, Bitcoin sell-d rally indicator flashes again as Bitcoin price breaks below 45,000. Now, maybe we're going to be seeing a small sell-off for Bitcoin, but that's completely fine. We're still going to be seeing Bitcoin go to 100,000 by the end of the year. I still do think so. As long as crypto grows on the long run, we could be seeing that. But in doing so, it attempts to determine whether an investor is profitable within 155 days of purchasing and holding crypto. And the price action of 2014 to 2015 bearish season shows Bitcoin USD resuming its downside correction. Obviously, we're not too much into specifics here, but what we do have to know is that we saw here bear run resumes, price falls 77%, and it was falling back in 2015. We're seeing the same patterns over here, but then, after we saw the bear run, we saw a huge bull run. So we could be seeing that again. Right now, we are going to be seeing the price falling and then increasing once again. Hopefully so, and it's looking like that. That we're going to be bullish still in the long run. So while the supply squeeze based on the short-term holder supply ratio is not yet 20%, there are numerous indicators and trends in play that suggest it may hit in mid-September. Mid-September, I have been saying it the whole summer. is when we are going to be seeing a price boost as El Salvador is coming in. Now, SEC and regulation, it seems like what we can see is Germany is doing regulation right. Regulators can track blockchain activity easier than traditional finance. And, there's a lot of speculation still. How and what will countries do with the cryptocurrencies? So there's definitely a lot of potential so far from what I'm seeing, burns for SHIB, so many things, security is the most important factor for SHIB, and Shiba Inu is probably never going to be getting hacked. And if it does get hacked, one thing is for sure, we will know first as it drops an alert to the whole community. Therefore, for SHIB, it's not an ideal burn mechanism, but because it's not only a burn, it's a redistribution tactic. So here we can see that the burn could potentially change the prices. Thank you so much for dropping a like, and until next time, peace everyone.